So let's start at my door. This is my door. Okay, let's go in. The first thing you see is blurry. Okay. So this is the first view people get of my room because my door is always open. I only close it for online classes and YouTube videos. Okay, first thing you see is a Cristiano Ronaldo poster and another football poster from a German football club called Borussia Dortmund. Then we have the first bit of my room, which is my keyboard. And we have here a wall sticker thing. Here we have these two posters I bought in Lyon. This is a Some Like It Hot poster, it's one of my favorite movies. And this is a Beatles poster, one of my favorite bands. My keyboard is right next to my record player. Above my record player we have this clock. Well, it doesn't work anymore, as you can see. It's a One Direction clock I bought at Camden Market in London in 2015. But it's like vinyl, so it fits quite well to be above my record player. Here we have my records. Yeah, here we have more and even more. So we have a lot here. We have the snowball. So cute. In another video, if you want to, please write it down in the comments below if you want me to make a video showing you all of my vinyls. There's a picture of me and my best friend. This is me, that's my best friend. We have this. This is Saint Tatiana. This was something my grandparents gave to me years ago. And this is an AIDS thing I got somewhere, sometime, I don't know. And, well, we have these lights here. So here we have my perfumes. Then moving on to here. This is because I went to a Catholic school. And the day I went there, I got into the school, my parents bought me this. This is something I got from Paris. It has the Notre Dame, I think, here, and then the Eiffel Tower and Arc de Triomphe. This is something I've had for a long time. It's a book where you can make wishes, but a different kind of wish every day. Then here we have this seashell where you hear the sea when you put it to your ear. And here we have a bit of the Berlin Wall. This is a picture of me, my sister and my cousin. Here I have some DVDs. Okay, I can't show you these. So this is the Queen Rock Montreal DVD from their concert in 1981. This concert DVD, Queen at Wembley, from 1986. This documentary of Queen, I haven't watched this yet, it's still wrapped. Then we have this DVD of the Freddie Mercury tribute concert they made. Then we have this one, it's about the touring years from the Beatles. It's a documentary, but I haven't watched it yet. Then we have this jar with little notes. Then we have this angel snowball. Then we have this box and this heart. I got this heart in this box from my parents. This heart is a light, and it was an insider because it looked like in Once Upon a Time when Regina rips hearts out and they are in boxes and stuff. I don't know. This stone here says love. This heart here says love too, but it makes sounds. And then we have this stone I painted with, well, it is Harry Potter themed, and it has 9 3/4 written on it because of the platform. Then we have this part here, well, this box with technical and electronic stuff. Here we have Mozart. This thing I bought in Prague. Then here we have DVDs, CDs, more CDs, and more DVDs, and 2 CDs. Queen CD, like with the greatest hits, and the Beatles, the White Album. So here I have a globe. It used to float, it doesn't anymore anyway, It's not plugged in, but even if it's plugged in, I think it doesn't work anymore. Then we have the Eiffel Tower. Then I have these fences. Then we have this snail, this Smurf figure. It's a Sagittarius, that's why I have it. Then I have this picture of my mom, me, and my sister in London. I have this. I got this from my uncle years ago. I wrote my name on it. And it's a sharpener. Then this is just a jar with marbles and stones in it. These Playmobiles. This looks like my mom and this looks like my dad. At least that's what we always said. So I have these still in my room. Then I have this. This is so beautiful. It's from Portugal. It says November. Then we have this. I got this in a summer holiday sports tournament. It's from casting sport. I think I got second place, maybe third place. Here we have Maria. This was for participating in a swimming tournament. This was 2011. And this was in 2005. And I was last in the swimming tournament, but I still got something. I didn't expect that, so I was very, very, very happy. And this is a picture of my dad, me and my sister in London, another Maria. And this I got in another sports tournament in the holidays, also for casting sports. And this is when I got first place in 2012. And this is just a little drawing of the Real Madrid symbol. Now I'm going to show you this. It's a canvas my best friend made for me and gave to me for my 18th birthday. This is nothing special, I just keep documents in here. This is nothing, there's nothing special, there's notebooks and my makeup. I'm going to do this part first. Here we have like just beauty products. And then we have this picture framed that I got from a friend of mine on my 20th birthday. Behind we have like a recipe book and notebooks. Then we have a One Direction fan book, Who We Are. These are also interesting. These are not fan books, but just like, I don't know, it's just like about Portuguese people, a little thing on Portuguese history. And this is things that happened in the year when I was born. This one, the Beatles fan book. I have another Beatles fan book. I have Me from Elton John, his new book, but I haven't opened it yet, as you can see. Freddie Mercury biography. Another fan book from Freddie. Here we have my iPad, so here you can see the books that are behind. Here these are student magazines because I was in the student newspaper group, so I have these magazines because there's also articles that I wrote, so I wanted to have these. This book is from when I went to Paris. We had to make a journal de bord, a diary, and they gave us grades for it. The same thing for my exchange with Italy. These are plays where I took a part in. I was in the theater group in my school, and these are from trips I made with summer camps. These are from different summer camps. Then we have chewing gums, we have Vic Vaporub, and we have a face cream. Well, this is my desk, by the way. Then we have nail polish. Then we have this Freddie mug. And the funny thing is, my parents gave me this, and it says Queen, so it just fits very well. This is something my sister got me from Amsterdam, because I really like Van Gogh, and this is a painting from Van Gogh. Then we have this rose here, but it's fake, but it looks beautiful. Then we have another mug, and this is also something my sister got for me from Amsterdam, and it's with a Van Gogh painting on it, but I haven't gotten it out of the box because I somehow like the box. Then we have my basket with my hair stuff, and we have a candle here. I have a flower. This one I got from my parents for Easter 2 weeks ago. Here we have my window. So this is a painting I made the other day. It's a character from Haikyuu, and he's called Bokuto, and he's my favorite. Then we have this. That's an old picture from my best friend and I. Then we have this. with London stuff on it. It's plant. Here, keep calm and love life. A picture of my sister and I on the Ed Sheeran concert. And then we have this pillow from 5 Seconds of Summer. We have these lights. Then I have this. This is from my guitar, the mic. You may have seen this in some of my YouTube covers, song covers. Then I have this flag. I got this from a friend from England for my 18th birthday. This is my classical guitar. It's this one. Then I have my electric guitar. Also here, Yan Jack themed. This is my cajon. I'm going to show it to you. So this is my cajon. I really like it, but I hardly ever play on it. I should do that more often. To play on a cajon, you sit on it and then you just...
I can't play on it. I can't do it.
A pillow I got from friend. Here I have books. I shouldn't take all these out. This one. I love this book. This is so cool, and the whole book is like that, like little holograms from Star Wars. And if you know me, you know that I love Star Wars. I have this one. It's a book it's an autobiography from Lenny Bruce. He was a comedian and he was just hilarious and great. And if you watch Marvelous Mrs. Maisel, you may have heard something about him. He was just so funny. Great. He was just, I don't know, great. Here we have all the Diary of a Wimpy Kid, minus this one because this one didn't fit here anymore. This is a Diary of a Wimpy Kid mug. Yan Jack plug, Yan Jack mug. Another one, I have the other one there, I showed you before, with my pencils and stuff. Then here we have, I don't even know how to call this section, just more books. These are books I read in school. These are like dictionaries. This book is very interesting. It's like a whole film in 5 seconds. And you see like, I don't know, you see like this and you have to guess what movie it is. Or this, like this is Titanic. Then we have CDs, more CDs, and mangas, the Never-Ending Story. This is the book Never-Ending Story. Here we have some posters. Here we really don't have anything interesting. These are empty. And then we have these two books. So here we have a lot of stuff. Then we have this. It's like a booklet with a book and pictures from 5 Seconds of Summer, but it's a little bit old now. Then we have this. Is a whole thing with One Direction stuff in it. This is something I used to take to guitar classes. It has all the notes. And then we have this. This is a photo album. So I still don't know where to put it because it doesn't really fit in the theme of this here because it's just books and stuff. So yeah, now we have nearly everything. Here we have my carpet. It's Yan Jack, obviously. Then we have my amp for my guitar. Heater, everything. Then here, I can show you the bed. Also has a blanket with the Yan Jack, and oh my god, underneath is also a Yan Jack. What? Then we have this One Direction poster my sister gave to me someday, I don't know, a few years ago. Then we have this 5 Seconds of Summer poster, another 5 Seconds of Summer poster. Then we have this. This is from my 18th birthday party. My parents just made this canvas and put the 18, and everyone who was there had to sign it. It's been in my room for 5 years now. Then we have this Alejandro Sanz picture. I got this at his concert, I think. Then we have this poster. It's from the first students' party I went to. and I helped organize and stuff. So this is from my uni, from my department, from the English department. Then we have a poster of Álvaro Soler. I got this in the concert as well in Madrid, and this is something I bought for this room because I had another poster here which I took to Halls, and then I still wanted a Doctor Who poster here because there I have the one with David Tennant which glows in the dark, and then I got this one for this room. Then I have this One Direction poster. I just liked it. Now we have this canvas. This is from a picture in Madame Tussauds in London, so I haven't met them really. But it's in Madame Tussauds in London, and this was 2015, and then for my 18th birthday I got this canvas. Then we have my bed, and as you can see, more pillows with a Union Jack. I don't know what else to show you. This is my wardrobe. Quick overview of my room. So it has, if you see the walls, it's white, red and blue Union Jack colors. My lamp is this one. Well, this is my room, guys. I have wanted to show it to you for so long, like for years. I really have to say that, but it has changed a little bit. I'm really happy in this room. I hope you liked this video, even though it's long, but I hope you don't mind that. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any recommendations, any wishes, any requests for videos, write them down in the comments below. And yeah, well, subscribe if you want to see more videos of me. Hit the bell if you want to be notified whenever I upload. I try to upload every Wednesday. Yes, and you can follow me on Instagram. I have it in the description of this video. And yes, now I'm going to end this video. Bye bye.